Alright, we are the 25th, February 2018. Got us one Chemtrailer right here. You go right up, and there's the other one. They're running in tandem. See? One right there. And one right there. Try to see if I can get those other two. There's one right there. Where'd the other one go? And there's the fourth one. There's four of them. One. Come over here. There's number two. Go over here. You got number three. And number four. You got four Chemtrailers at the same time. I'll try to get the sun, but it hasn't been doing no justice. It's too zoomed in. Yeah, that's what I get when I hit the sun. It's crazy. Yeah. So one, two, swing back around. Oh, there's even a couple more right here. I take it back. There's three. There's a four. The five. And back over here is six. So we have a total of 6 Chemtrailers at once. Ain't that a, you know, one. There's two. There's three going that way. 4 going this way. Come back around. There's number 5. And number 6. Alright everybody, peace out.